Hey everybody, welcome back. Long time no see. I figured that since I have been on hiatus because I was on vacation, excuse me, that I would welcome us both back with just a quick mail opening video. I did get a lot of mail while I was out of town, so I kind of don't even remember what I ordered. And I thought that this would be fun. So first, I'm gonna start with this guy. See, all this wood. I had totally forgotten that I had ordered new tags, but I'm glad that I did because I have lots of Christmas orders rolling in and I need to get these bad boys going. So if you've never ordered from All This Wood before, this is how they come. They always package them nicely in these bags. I don't know what these bags are made out of, but they're like super silky. And then all of your tags are in there. Let's see. Oh, and then just the receipt. So the next thing, oh yeah, so this is from Craft House Supply. If you have not ever shopped with Nicole, or she goes by Nick, I highly suggest checking out her website. It's Craft House with a K, H-A-U-S, so she spells it like German style. I'll link it below. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to angle you down. Sorry, crooked. So she sent me some stuff to play with, and I also ordered some stuff. So let's see, this looks like the play stuff. Ooh, look at how fun. I don't know if you can tell what these are. So these are letters that you can, I like the way she packaged these. But these are letters that you can sew a 1-inch wide strap on. Sorry, I'm trying to think and get this open at the same time. Side note, did you know that doing two things at once is called dovetailing? Pretty interesting fact, little word of the day here. All right, here we go. Just trying to get one out so that you can see these. So I have used these in the past on dog collars. They are a fun way to customize the dog collar instead of having a tag on it. Oh my gosh, these things are for real packaged in here. This wrapping is like sticky, kind of. Not sticky, but it sticks to itself. It's almost like they're shrink wrapped. Oh, goodness. Whew, okay. Gosh, sorry, that was a struggle for me. It doesn't stick to the letter at all, but this sticks to itself, so it's kind of hard to get off. But it makes it super secure with shipping. But so if you look at the letter, you see it's hollow on the inside, and so you can take your strap and put it in through here. And so I will be able to have a strap that says SewGnar on it. But so yeah, like I was saying, a lot of the times I use these to make dog collars, and because they are 1-inch straps here, I find that it is the perfect width for a dog collar as well. Those are super fun. So she has silver, gold, and she has diamonds studded, but obviously they're not real diamonds. Let's see what else she sent. So this is how she packages her stuff. Super luxe, like high end, which I love. It just looks really, really nice. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, a bunch of different buckles. Cool. Oh, sweet. Okay, so she has a bunch of different finishes. So this one is a matte silver, which is really cool. If you like matte black, which I happen to be holding, it's just like that. So it's just not shiny, which is really fun. So these are 1-inch strap holders. So that's a cool strap holder that's different than most. I think that these would be really sturdy. They're nice and thick. They feel really like heavy duty in quality. But those are cool. Oh, it looks like, so she sent me one in all the colors that she has. So She has rose gold, matte black, rainbow. I know all you people out there are super into rainbow. Shiny gold, shiny silver or nickel, antique brass, which this is always my favorite, and then the matte silver and the shiny gunmetal. So she has 8 different options in her colorways. So that is really cool. I'm pretty sure that she has all of these colorways in all of her hardware, and she has lots of different hardware. She has everything from rivets to strap anchors to, or not anchors, but slides and lobster clasps, obviously. So she also carries this style, which this is my favorite style of lobster clasp. I like how it's just seamless. But this style is really cool. I think that this would be great on like an industrial bag with lots of rivets. These are really cool. I like these a lot. Gotta figure out something to use all those for. Let's see. Oh, and then she sent these cute little guys. These are just like mini lobster clasps, but they have a key ring attachment to it. So I feel like these could be cool like mini tassels that you could put on a zipper or even as a key fob. And so she sent an antique brass, a rose gold, a bright gold, and a gunmetal. These guys are so cute. All right, let's see. We've got one more package here that she sent me to play with. And she must know that antique brass is my favorite because this whole thing is all antique brass hardware. So let's dig in. So it looks like just an array of what she offers. So she's got like your standard D-rings. These are cool, like mini O-rings. Normally the O-rings that I use are significantly larger, but these are really cute. I feel like these would be great as, like if you did a 1/2 inch or a 3/4 inch strap, loop it, and it could be like a detailed accent. You know, like on the new Moonwake bag, I can't remember who designed it, but the Moonwake that just came out, I think that these would be super cute on it. Let's see, oh, and then she sent, oops, these square style lobster clasps. These are just like your standard, but I like that they are more square on the bottom instead of rounded, but it doesn't have hard edges. So that's really cool. And then she sent some 1-inch slides, which these are always great and easy to use. I'm super excited about these little O-rings. They're just so cute. All right, let's see. I think I remember what I specifically ordered from her, but let's find out. Whoa. All right, yes. So, talking about dog collars, whenever I make a dog collar, I always get my hardware from Nick because she just has the best hardware. It looks the nicest and it holds up super well. So I ordered 5 antique brass collar hardware and then 5 of the shiny silver. Let me get it open. Oh, that. So these match the letters perfectly. So that could be fun. I mean, with the SewGnar letters, of course, I'm gonna have to make myself some sort of bag. Maybe put them on a backpack or something. But so this is how she packages all of her buckles here. So you can be rest assured that whenever you order from her, she's always going to package in a way that keeps everything nice and scratch free. And I don't know if she's still doing this, but she did have some buckles that came from the factory that were just a little bit scratched up. And she is severely discounting their price right now, which that's what I bought from. And they're not bad. And she's not saying that they're all scratched. She's just saying that they're not inspecting them because they're trying to clear out inventory to make room for more. But you can get these super high quality, really nice buckles on sale from her right now. Yeah, I don't really see any scratches. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal to get these at a mega discounted rate, and they're not even messed up at all. All right, so that is my haul from Craft House. All right, so right here, I have some zippers from my Handmade Space, which if you see any of my product tags in my video or my photos, then you know that this is the zipper by the yard that I like to use. So I had to get just some colors for some custom orders that I had. So you just have your standard black with stainless coil and then antique brass, of course. And this color is really, really pretty. I've never ordered this one before. It's almost like an aspen blue. I think she had it listed as a green. Oh, there's no packing slip. Or maybe this was, oh, this was called cork blue, which I love this. It's almost like a light hunter teal muted color. I don't know, might be my new favorite color. Normally I love this one, this bright teal. That's always my favorite, but so here's the difference. So this one has a lot more green in it compared to the blue, but it's just not a color that you see very often. So highly recommend that. And then I wanted to expand my zipper by the yard color options. So I got an olive green and a brown, which I have not had in a while, ever since, like, I used to always use olive green and brown whenever I use just regular zippers, and now that I'm making the full transition into zipper by the yard, I have to step my my stock up. But this one is, that one's so pretty. I didn't get zipper pulls with this order because I have so many just from ordering in the past. So you can order on my Handmade Space zipper by the yard without zipper pulls if you also are running into the same problem that I had. Let's see, so I ordered this. I have no idea what this is. I don't remember at all. It might not even be related to SewGnar. Bags. Oh, okay. Ooh, totally forgot about this. So this is a money clip that I ordered for a custom order, which I've been seeing some chatter online about wanting to know how to make a money clip wallet. I used to make them all the time, and I just haven't in quite some time, but I do have a custom order, so I ordered this really fancy, fun money clip. So maybe if you leave me enough comments below, I will make a video on how I make a slim wallet money clip. So this came, the return address says Bozo's Company out of New Jersey, if you're interested in the fancy schmancy money clip. Normally the clips that I used to get, they had a rivet hole right here, which I enjoyed because then I could really secure it and make sure that it didn't slide out after it's inside the wallet, but this one doesn't have that, so probably lots of glue going to be involved in this one. All right, and so the last thing that I got, this is not SewGnar related. I actually got this as a Christmas present. I don't know if this person watches my videos, so I'm not going to say who it's for. I've never heard of them watching my videos, but you never know. People surprise me. So this is one of those random Facebook ads, and I fell victim to it. But it just looked too cool not to pass, or to pass up. So it's, whoops, it's a rolling pin, but it's etched so that when you roll out your cookies or your pies or your, I don't really know what else you roll out, breads, crusts, then it leaves this imprint in the pastry that you're making. And so this is just like a kind of a really cool, it's got flowers and then kind of like a fleur-de-lis leaf pattern. So these are handmade in Poland, which I thought was really cool. Oh, comes with a recipe. And it's by Pastry Made, so I will link that below as well. Isn't that so cool? I will say the edges are unfinished wood, which I think can be an issue down the line, because if you're washing it, then it's not, you know, you might have to oil these handles here. I guess I kind of assumed that the handles would be finished, but regardless, it's still really cool, and I can't wait for the person who is going to get it for Christmas to receive it and then make me something. You can, like, it smells like burnt wood, I guess, because it's been etched. That would make sense, huh? All right, well, that's really it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick mail haul that I had. And yeah, nothing like a good awkward ending to a video, huh? Anyways, I hope that you guys are staying safe out there. I just got back from Colorado and COVID is insane out there. So I'm in self-isolation right now. I don't have any symptoms or signs or anything, but just doing my due diligence to keep people around me safe, because we had no idea what we were going into, and it was a hotbed of COVID activity out there. So yeah, I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy out there, and, you know, keep washing your hands, keep wearing your masks, stay at home when you can. What are you guys doing about Thanksgiving? I'm really torn about this. I have an old grandmother, and my mom is immunocompromised. She has an autoimmune disorder, but so I don't really know what to do. But so yeah, let me know, what are you guys planning on doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and I will be back very soon with some more videos now that I'm back home. Bye, guys.